With this edition of The Sky Tonight, the sky has changed slightly since last week's premiere installment of our weekly Sky Tonight program. Today we look at the sky for the week beginning Sunday, July 11th. Sunday, July 11th, we have brilliant Venus and ruddy red Mars beautifully flanking the 46-hour-old waxing crescent moon, so slender that you might miss it. This beautiful trio is still in Cancer and follows the sun at sunset. By 9:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, these planets have set with Regulus, the heart of Leo the Lion, setting by 10 p.m. Pivoting east, we find blue-white Spica, the brightest star in Virgo, high in the southwest, with the red supergiant Antares of Scorpio further east and approaching the meridian at 9:30. Sagittarius is low in the southeast and, along with Scorpio, will become more prominent as the short nights of summer continue through July and into August. Look at these resplendent jewels of summer. We can't help but notice the Milky Way's galactic center between Scorpio and Sagittarius. This is the heart of our galaxy, over 25,000 light-years away. Continuing east, we see the Great Summer Triangle, well placed midway up in the east for North America. Following the Milky Way northward from the galactic center, we find this asterism, consisting of brilliant blue-white Vega in Lyra the Harp, blue-white supergiant Deneb in Cygnus, and clear-white Altair in Aquila the Eagle. The Summer Triangle is the hallmark of the summer sky in the Northern Hemisphere. Just to the east of Deneb, and visible in a good pair of binoculars on a clear, dark, moonless night, is the North American Nebula, an H2 region, or emission nebula, shaped like the North American continent and excited to shine by the UV ionizing radiation from a hot, luminous OB-class binary star close by. We pause and turn off the atmosphere to get a true sense of the galactic center's majesty, something that we overlooked in last week's installment. As it was last week, and following the Summer Triangle, low in the southeast and rising after midnight, on July 12th, Jupiter and Neptune are in Aquarius, with Saturn in Capricorn. In this view, as in others, we've turned off the horizon to illustrate the position of Jupiter and Saturn relative to the horizon. Here, it's 10 p.m. and Saturn is still low in the southeast. We turn the horizon on and run the clock forward 2 hours to position the two giant planets together, just above the horizon after midnight. And we zoom in now on Jupiter, Saturn, and Neptune, a great feature of Stellarium that allows us to view the positions of any planetary moons in real time. Rising at 1:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time is Uranus in Aries, flanked later on close to 3 a.m. by the shimmering Pleiades, or the Seven Sisters to the northeast. As we did previously with Jupiter, Saturn, and Neptune, we zoom in on Uranus and take note of its array of moons, positioned as they are in real time. Continuing further east, Mercury precedes the Sun at 4:20 a.m., with red giant Aldebaran, the heart of Taurus, to the east and south. Zooming in on Mercury, we take note of its phase, a phenomenon not unlike that of our own moon, caused by the relative location of the observer, the object, and the source of the illumination, in both cases, the sun. With sunrise just over an hour later at 5:30 a.m. on the morning of July 12th, Mercury is well placed for early rises with over an hour of visibility. This is Dr. Jim Daly of Astronomy for Change. May you come to love the stars too fondly to be fearful of the night. And remember, the Earth is a mote of dust floating in a sunbeam. That's reality. Everything else is just marketing. The great philosopher Plato famously said, "Astronomy compels the soul to look upward and leads us from this world to another." Astronomy for Change is a non-profit organization whose mission is to effect a positive change through astronomy and science education. It is our belief that by inspiring and empowering current and future generations to become interested and engaged in astronomy and science, this positive change will be realized. If you found this video helpful and educational, please like, subscribe, and share. Also, why not consider supporting us on Patreon? Head over to our homepage, astronomyforchange.org, click Support Us via PayPal or Patreon, and choose a membership level suitable for you. Every little bit helps us produce the great content and further our mission. Also, why not consider becoming a member? Choose the membership link here, click it, put your name and your first name and your email, and you'll be added to our list. You'll receive a comprehensive digest of all our videos and articles and all our great content. Joining and becoming a patron helps us grow and improve and more fully realize our mission. Thank you. This is Dr. Jim Daly for Astronomy for Change. Until the next video, please stay well and keep looking up.